Hi, this is Lynn with Transport King, and today I'm going to walk you through how we safely ship vehicles across the country. One of the most common questions we get is, how do you deliver a vehicle like this to my doorstep when I'm states away? The answer is simple: precision and protection. Once your purchase is finalized, we immediately assign a fully enclosed carrier. At Transport King, we ship enclosed only. That means your vehicle is protected from road debris, weather, and unnecessary exposure, ensuring it leaves and arrives in the exact same condition. Before loading, the carrier performs a full inspection of the vehicle. From that moment forward, your vehicle is fully insured for the entire trip. All of our transport partners are fully licensed, fully insured, and operate at the highest industry standards. As your vehicle approaches its destination, the carrier will contact you directly to coordinate a smooth and convenient delivery. No confusion. No guesswork. Just professional, secure transport, done right. Pricing varies based on location, but when you contact us, we provide a firm quote upfront, no hidden fees, and no fluctuating prices. Whether you're buying, selling, trading, or shipping across state lines, Transport King handles it all. If you're ready for secure, enclosed transport handled with precision, click the link below and contact Transport King today.